how to increase and decrease the volume in Capcut from different areas. Drop a like if this helps. Let's go. Start building passive income skills. Click the link down below. Simply put, let's say you have a video clip in Capcut PC and you have volume or audio on the timeline. Let's say you would like to increase the volume slowly or fade in. Make sure it's selected or highlighted. Top right hand screen, click on audio. As you can see underneath basic, click right here to add a keyframe to the volume. You can even go like this so it will fade in if you drag to the right. Notice how it's changing this on the timeline. And if you want, you can add a cut by clicking B on your keyboard and click. Now on this next audio clip, you can do the same thing. You can even go here to volume. Underneath this window, you can type in -10 as it decreases the volume in a different or separate clip in Capcut. And let's say right here we had a cut. Now we can do +10 and it also increased the volume in a different part of the video. As you can see, it decreased and it increased the volume or audio in different parts of the video in Capcut.